guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some jumbo knotless braids. So if you want to achieve this look, stay tuned. So I did go ahead and do my parts off camera because it is easier for me to do it this way. And what I did was I just went ahead and added some jam to my edges, to the edges of my hair, and then I just sectioned my hair off into 3 pieces and I just started braiding. And then here you can see me adding the hair as I go. A jumbo knotless braid. Now I'm gonna just keep braiding my hair until I feel like it's getting thinner, and then I'm gonna add 2 more pieces of hair along the way to it. When adding the extra 2 pieces of hair, you want to make sure that you add a medium size amount of braiding hair, just so that it can add up to the thickness of the braid. So again, for this side, I'm going to just section my hair off into 3 parts and then braid it about 3 or 4 times, and then add on the extra pieces of braiding hair. And my hair is really thick. When I wash my hair, I just went along and let my hair air dry, and then I just put these braids in my hair. And I do plan on just keeping these braids in for a week. This is just something quick, just so I don't have to do my hair. For this look, it is the coil array inspired braids, where at the tips I wanted to make it curly. So like in the next clip, you're gonna see me adding some rubber bands so I can curl it. I did notice the blob of jam in my hair. When I add the mousse onto my hair, that'll go away, so I'm not even concerned about that. apologize for the angle of the video, but here I just went ahead and added the 2 pieces of braiding here, and I just kept braiding down, and then I'm going to show you where I put the rubber bands at so that my hair can be curly. Where my chest is, that's where I add the rubber bands, and these braids are very long. They're hip waist, so if you measure that, you'll know exactly where to put the rubber bands at. Towards the ending of the video, you'll see more of it though. So I did go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera. This is the only part that I have to do. So I am gonna section this off into 3 pieces and braid it like about 2 to 3 times before I added in the braiding here. You can see some imperfections, but I'm not really going to worry about that too much because I am going to put some clips onto it, to the pieces where you can see my natural hair. So here I have my curling rod. I'm just going to twist the ends. And as you can see, it actually broke off. So yeah, I don't think this is the best option to use like when doing your hair. Or if you have some flexi rods, I think those are a little more better because these rods did end up breaking on me a few times. My boyfriend did come over to me to check up on me a few times and give me some kisses. I just love his whole soul. But yeah, so after I curl up the ends, I'm going to just dip it into some warm water. To just take the mousse and apply it to the top and the ends of my hair so I can take down the flyaways. Then I'm gonna just take some hairspray and spray it all over my hair. Now it's time to dip my hair in water I do feel like I should have dipped my hair first before I added the curling rods onto it, because it did wind up coming off. But this is just something for me to be aware of for next time. And I'm gonna just take a towel just to dry off my hair so it doesn't burn me or the baby. And I'm just adding some more rods to the pieces where it fell off from. This is how my hair looks. It's not fully done. I still have to add on the pieces to it, but this is just, you know, a preview. The curling rods did not work for my hair, so I tried to take my curling wand and curl my hair, but as you can see, you're not supposed to add heat to fake hair, so this was a fail. And this was the next day, so that's why you see me here adding more mousse to my hair. But I did just go ahead and, you know, just put my hair in a bun, just because, you know, my hair didn't come out the way I wanted it to be. So I just had to hide like the rubber bands and stuff like that. Some edge control to my edges just to spice up the hairstyle, and then I am gonna add some more beads to my hair just to make it look better. Final result. I did try to do the coil array braids, like, and curl it at the bottom, but it was a fail, so I just like put it up in a bun. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Until next time.